Have you ever wondered how long it takes to cash out your stash investments? It's a question that often pops up in the minds of many users. In this video, we'll dive deep into the stash cash-out process and explore how long it typically takes to receive your funds. Imagine this: you've been investing in stash for months, carefully selecting stocks and ETFs, and watching your portfolio grow. Now, you need the money. You click the cash out button, and nothing happens. What's going on? Is your money stuck in stash purgatory? Before we dive into the specifics of stash cash out times, let's understand a bit about the platform itself. Stash is a popular investment app that allows users to invest in stocks, ETFs, and fractional shares. It's designed to be user-friendly and accessible to beginners. One of the key factors that can affect cash-out times is the type of account you have. Stash offers two main account types: Stash Basic and Stash Growth. Stash Basic is a free account with limited features, while Stash Growth offers additional benefits like fractional shares and automatic investing. Cash-out process. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How long does it take to cash out from stash? The exact time can vary depending on a few factors, including account type. Stash Growth accounts generally have faster cash-out times compared to Stash Basic accounts. Cash-out method. The method you choose to receive your funds can also impact the processing time. Stash offers several options, such as ACH transfers, wire transfers, and checks. Market conditions. During periods of high market volatility or system maintenance, cash-out times may be slightly longer. Typical time frames. Here's a general breakdown of typical cash-out times based on different methods. ACH transfer. This is the most common and often the fastest method. ACH transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to complete. Wire transfer. Wire transfers are generally faster than ACH transfers, but they may come with additional fees. You can expect wire transfers to take 1 to 2 business days. Check. Checks can take the longest, usually around 5 to 7 business days. Factors affecting cash-out times. While the above timeframes are typical, there are a few factors that can influence how quickly you receive your funds. Account verification. If Stash needs to verify your identity or account information, it may slightly delay the cash-out process. System issues, technical difficulties, or system maintenance can temporarily slow down cash-outs. Market holidays. If a market holiday falls during the cash-out process, it may extend the timeline. Tips for faster cash-outs. If you're looking to expedite your cash-out, here are a few tips. Verify your account. Ensure that all your account information is up to date and verified. Choose the fastest method. Opt for ACH transfers or wire transfers if you need your funds quickly. Avoid peak times. Try to cash out during off-peak hours to minimize processing time. Contact Stash support. If you encounter any issues or have concerns about your cash out, don't hesitate to reach out to Stash's customer support. In conclusion, the time it takes to cash out from Stash can vary depending on several factors. However, with a general understanding of the cash-out process and the factors that can affect it, you can make informed decisions and plan accordingly. Remember, if you need your funds urgently, it's always a good idea to contact Stash support for assistance. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.